Hey, what's going on, everybody? I hope you're having a good day, but if you're not, at least you're looking snazzy with a full head of hair. Unless you're bald like me, then best of luck to all us baldies. Now, as I mentioned in the last video, there's a kid in the local car community named Wyatt Page who passed away last month after a 2-year battle with brain cancer. He did a lot of good for the community and left a good legacy. There's a GoFundMe set up for him to continue some nonprofit activities that he was doing. Click the link below, check it out. If you can support $2, $3, $5, that would be amazing. I don't know him personally, I don't know his family, I just know the story, and I think it's a great cause. If you guys have never seen the factory that these are produced in, go check out the What's Inside video. I don't know them personally, but it was a really cool video. It was cool to know where that came from. Aside from you guys, it came from you guys first, and then someone built that in a factory. So cool. This just blows my mind, but I'm having fun. I hope you guys are having fun. As long as we're all having fun, we're gonna keep going. 1,000,000 subs, I don't know. Let's see what happens. Now onto the business of being pulled over. That was my bad, I messed up. We actually have footage. Let's cut to that. Okay, we got bets. Was it the acceleration? Well,
license, please.
Yes.
All right, so when there's a vehicle on the side of the road, red and blues,
Yeah.
you move over.
Yeah, I
don't know how fast you were going, but you pushed on the gas and your car was really loud.
Right.
And you could hit me because I'm standing right there, right?
Yeah, no, I apologize for that. I wasn't going fast, but I know it sounds, and I should have been over.
He actually let off on the throttle. And when you let off on the throttle of this car, it actually just crackles.
So either way,
I should have been over.
Get over, you need to get over. So
either way,
I'm standing there and I hear that noise, whether you're going fast or not, the law is you slow down, you move over.
Yeah, no, and I get it because you're focused on the car, and yeah, I apologize for that. I do get it. Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Okay.
You remember when I get detained at the airport in Saudi?
Yes.
I get like busted for like the dumbest things.
You do get.
And I did slow down, and I kind of just shifted a little bit.
Yeah.
And I was going under the speed limit. But it's cool. To everybody, I get it. He's got his back turned. He's dealing with, you know, a customer, maybe an angry customer. And he got a loud car that ran behind the back of him. I was almost on, I mean, we're on the highway. Should I have just punched it? Gotten out of the county?
I don't think it would have mattered.
Getting to Salt Lake County? I mean, what, he's Summit County, right?
He's sheriff.
Should I have done it for the vlog? Just run? If it is a ticket, what's the ticket?
I don't know.
Hey, you know what? He hasn't asked about the window tint, so that's a win. Keep the windows down. It's cold. It's cold.
Make sure you're being careful, all right?
Yeah, no,
red and blues, especially if you're driving a sports car and it's pretty loud.
Yeah.
All right?
No,
it just makes me think of maybe he's showing off or he's going fast. Just you know what I mean.
No, I get it, and we weren't, but I understand because your back is turned, and I appreciate that.
It's because of that you're not getting a ticket for today.
No, I appreciate that
because I've almost got hit like 5 times last week.
Oh,
so just kind of be cognizant of that, right?
Yeah, no, I apologize.
All right, you guys have a good day.
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
Best of luck.
Dude, I am the king.
Why did you say best of luck?
I didn't want him to get hit. He said he's almost been hit like 5 times.
Oh my gosh.
I don't want him to get hit. Best of luck.
That's
don't
the
get
line.
hit.
You should get ticketed right now for saying best of luck.
I feel like the interaction was good. It was respectful until I said best of luck.
You always do that. Your Honor, on the best of luck. Yeah, put your hat on. Okay, just gingerly, please. Gingerly.
He is Summit County. We could have made a run for it.
We could have, and that would have been the wrong choice.
It would have been.
You got children watching your vlogs.
Never run from the car. Just pull over and have a polite conversation. You never know who you're gonna meet.
You might have just got that other person out of a ticket.
If I did, you're welcome.
Because he had that guy pulled over, you drove past, and in a matter of 19 seconds, he was blazing full speed toward you.
Yep. You're welcome. If you're watching this and that was you, you're welcome. I got your back. So yeah, we should give you some background because we didn't get footage of the incident. We were just going down in Park City on the main road, 2-lane highway. There's a cop up ahead, had someone pulled over, was talking to them standing outside the car, and I did not change lanes to the left lane, should have. There were some cars there, but I needed to make, anyways, I didn't. And once we passed, I slowed down, and once we passed the officer, I slowly accelerated, but obviously in this car it does make some noise, and it was enough of an acceleration to get his attention, make him feel unsafe. It's easy to not trust somebody and think that some idiot is behind the wheel.
Well, some idiot is behind the wheel. There's no denying that.
So, officer, I apologize. You know, cops out there, stay safe. Keep them safe, everybody. Come on.
And we're back. Let's remember to keep everyone safe out there. Now, that was a few days ago. I've been busy at work. It's audit season, tax season. We got a lot going on, a lot to get done. But there have been updates with the X5 since then. As you guys recall in the last video, I got an $11,000 offer from CarMax for my 2013 BMW X5, and I have decided to swap out the X5. Yes, I'm looking at a new ride right now. It's stunning, it handles well, it's cute.
And there it is, a brand new, well, not brand new, it's got 12,000 miles on it, BMW X3. That's right, I didn't go bigger, I went smaller. Because in this day and age, isn't it all about MPGs?
I mean, I'm absolutely crushing it on MPGs right now, and I'm looking good while doing it.
Check out the interior. Check it out, the interior finish is just a high standard, as you would expect from a BMW. It's actually a lot like my 2013, it's just updated a lot. So there you have it. What do you guys think? I was gonna do a big car reveal, you know, because I didn't get a Raptor, I didn't get a Rebel or any of that. So I was gonna do a big reveal for the X3, but in the end, you know, I just decided to work it into this video and just enjoy the moment. Not oversell it, not overemphasize it, not grandize it, just enjoy it. Just look at her. Isn't she lovely? I think I made the right choice.
Okay, come on guys. I did not get the X3. That is not my ride. In fact, it's a loaner vehicle from BMW because my X5 is at the BMW dealership right now getting worked on. Now, while you're making your comments as to, yeah, that's what are you doing? Why would you ever do that? Why would you take it to the dealership? Blah, blah, blah. I have a reason. I have in fact decided what I'm gonna do with the X5, so you gotta stay tuned for that. So that's the reason I'm fixing it, is because I need to, in order to accomplish the goal of what I want to do with it. Also,
Are you kidding me? This is from the CEO of YouTube.
Yeah, I know.
Are you kidding me?
Have you got one of those yet? Okay.
No.
Guys, we gotta talk about this.
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, I know, I don't.
You're the new king of YouTube.
Okay, so if I'm the new king of YouTube, we gotta help this guy out. He's got a lot of purple cars, and now he's got I don't know, what do you call this? What do you call it?
Turquoise.
Mermaid?
Turquoise,
Mermaid.
bro, it's turquoise.
He's got a mermaid car. We gotta help him out, support him. He needs to become the king of YouTube. Link below, help him out. Maybe he will change his color palette. Maybe.
You gonna rock the X5 turquoise? Is that what you're getting at with the viewers?
No, X5 is. It's going away.
Whip?
Yeah.
You bought a white X3?
Yeah.
Bro,
Yeah.
no.
Stay tuned for the video, and then you'll get the full story as to why and so forth. We went over it already. They know, you don't know. So check it out. Link below. I gotta bounce because I'm going to a friend's birthday party. So go crush it. Hope you guys have a good one. I'm gonna go to the grid in Pleasant Grove. That should be a good experience. Next video is the actual vehicle update. I don't know if you know. Stay tuned.
Peace.